Peace and love from A+ Credit Academy. Credit specialist and financial wealth manager D'Angelo McKinney here, and today we're going to talk about our 3-level affiliate promotional program. Now, before we get into our affiliate program, let's talk about who our ideal partners look like. Mortgage brokers, auto dealers, realtors, or any other professional for that matter, who depends on business that has clients with good credit. So let's get right into it. Our entry-level affiliate is what we call our docent. Our docent affiliate is paid $25 per paid referral. They're provided with digital promotional marketing materials, as well as access to our financial wealth managers. You'll refer anywhere from 1 to 25 referrals at this promotional level, and then you'll be promoted to our second level, which we call our dean. Now, our dean affiliate, $50 paid per referral. They also get access to our financial wealth managers, as well as our digital promotion and marketing materials are provided to them as well. They'll refer anywhere from 26 to 50 referrals at this level, and they'll also receive a certificate of excellence. Once that is done, then you'll be promoted to our third level, which is what we call our chancellor. Our chancellor affiliate is paid $100 per paid referral. On top of that, you get our A+ Credit Academy diploma, you'll receive your access to our financial wealth managers, and you'll still continue to receive the digital promotional marketing materials. That concludes our promotional program. If you're ready to join, just click the link below. D'Angelo McKinney here, credit specialist and financial wealth manager, and on behalf of A+ Credit Academy, we hope you have a great day, and we look forward to serving.